Very good evening, you lot. It's Thursday today, Thursday evening. It's about 20 past 11 my time in Dubai. Just at the end of the trading day, I've been in the gym, I've sorted my life out, so this is kind of how it went today. Bit of a mixed bag, wasn't home run, but we still made some pretty serious money. All I'm going to do is go through the setups, why I took them, and then yeah, see what you think, see if I give you some insight, and if what I'm telling you helps you. Excellent. I really hope that is the case. That being said, if I'd done this every day, I'd be a very happy man. It's just when you end your day not winning, pisses off as a bit like. Anywho, less of the complaining from myself. The first setup, was this the first setup? Oh, no. Yeah, this was the first setup. Came at the New York Open, of all opens. USD CAD setup that we had, very nice indeed. We had a 5 minute low and high marked out, swept the low, as we can see right here, swept that low. What happened then after, we had a FEG there. We inverted all of these bad boys. You've got some here, you've got some here, they all got inverted, nice confluences. We then broke the structure here also. So, to be honest, very nice setup. All the stars aligned. We ended up taking it when 1.32 RR, which is good, which is sound. I don't mind it. Obviously, we had news, and I was hoping that news wouldn't significantly affect it too much to the point where I couldn't get any setups from New York, especially because I didn't get barely anything on London. But it worked a treat, so I'm very happy about that. As for the other currency pair that we traded today, we actually had a sweep of the news high. As you can see on Euro USD here, we've got the news candle here at 12:30. We swept that, and we had a few other confluences that went into this. As you can see here, marked at the break of structure. Also had all of these FVGs being inverted. Now you're probably I'd probably say you're sick to death of me rattling on about, the 5 minute sweep, London Open, New York Open, whatever you want to call it, this strategy. But I'm having so much luck with it, to be honest. I'm having so much luck with it. This one here ran very nicely indeed. I could have held out a little bit. Oh shit. I could have held out a little bit longer, but either way, really nice setup, really nice trade. It went, ran 2RR nearly immediately. Held out for a 2.13, so really good setup there. This one and the USD CAD one was just a game of starting confluences, is all it was. I wasn't doing anything exceptional, I wasn't reinventing the wheel. It's exactly what I've spoken about for the last couple of videos. Very simple stuff. Gold gives a little bit of a humbling. Gold decided to, and then I just be immensely bullish, Took off. Hit an all-time high. Not cool, I wouldn't say. A bit of a dick move from it. We were trying to short from a 3-candle reversal. Didn't end up going our way, but such is life. You can't have a 100% win rate. So after some good gold trades this morning, we had 80 pips of wins this morning. This kind of counteracted that and then some. But we are still up pretty substantially for the day. I'm going to work out exactly how much we're up on our account. We ended up at about the $2,650 marks, $2,650, which I would say is very good. I'm very happy with that. It's just when you lose, it kind of like skews your view on the day and what you've had. But overall, a really good day. I'd say that, on a personal level, what I can take from this is taking trades when gold's near all-time high. It's not something that is new to us. I always knew I shouldn't do it. But yeah, it is what it is. It's a learning curve. It's not as if I'm perfect. I'm really loving this strategy though. It's worked so nicely. It means that I don't have to be on the charts as much. I'll say probably the biggest thing about trading and why I love it so much is that I get to choose when I work. I don't have to answer to some divvy telling us how to go on. I get to go onto the charts at for London Open at what is that going to be? Midday my time, so I sit on the charts at midday after having breakfast and went to the gym. I can then come off for a bit, go out, have a coffee, relax, come back on the charts for New York Open and spend a bit of time on that, monitor that, put some alerts on for when it sweeps any potential areas of interest, and then just go onto the charts whenever it does that. Really relaxing. I feel like one of the biggest problems that people face is over trading. I mean, a lot of people in our group, I try to tell them that there should be some days when you don't trade. There should be some days where you'll find 3 or 4. But you know, if you don't trade for a couple of days, that's not necessarily a bad thing. It just means your strategy hasn't come up. I've got a few strategies that I use, so I often get trades. However, for example, this strategy that I've been using, I'm going to actually stop using it across so many currency pairs. It's working across a lot, but what I want to do is hone in on one. I want to find out what's got the best win rate, so I'm going to do a lot of back testing, find out what's got the best win rate, and then just rinse and repeat that and use that consistently. And that means I won't take as many setups, but my win rate's going to be significantly higher. So, yeah. Like, for example, there was nothing on gold today that I could have taken for this strategy, but there was on some other pairs, which is okay. Anyway, hope you found some value in this video. Hope you enjoyed it. This is how we made, what was it again? This is how I made just over $2,500 today. I'm very, very happy. Actually, I'm over the moon. So happy days. What I'm going to do is link the Discord down below. Join that. I've got a community where we're teaching all our strategies, exactly, you know, what I'm doing right now, in depth, plus more. So definitely get yourself involved in that. We've got an absolutely killer community. We've got signals as well and auto copier. So everything that you want, we 100% have. Drop us a message on the Discord if you need any more information, and God bless.